Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple meringue. First, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are perfectly clean and grease-free. Separate 3 large eggs, carefully placing only the whites into your bowl. Any trace of yolk can prevent the meringue from whipping properly. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. These are the essential components for a light and airy meringue. Now, let's get those egg whites whipping. Start your mixer on a medium speed. You'll see the whites begin to foam and become frothy. This is the perfect time to add your 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. The cream of tartar helps stabilize the egg whites, allowing them to hold more air. Continue whipping, gradually increasing the speed to high until you achieve soft peaks. Once you have soft peaks, it's time to incorporate the sugar. Slowly add your 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while the mixer is still running on high. Continue whipping until the meringue is glossy and forms stiff peaks that hold their shape. You should not feel any sugar granules when rubbing a small amount between your fingers. Then, bake your meringues at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 90 minutes. After baking, turn off your oven and leave the meringues inside to cool completely. This slow cooling process helps prevent cracking and ensures they dry out properly, becoming wonderfully crisp. Once fully cooled, store your beautiful meringues in an airtight container at room temperature. They're perfect for decorating desserts or enjoying on their own. For more great kitchen tools and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.